Hi, my dear learners. Today we're going to explore modal verbs, small but powerful words in English that help us talk about ability, possibility, permission, and obligation. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use them in real situations with confidence. Modal verbs are helping verbs. They are used with the base form of the main verb. No ing, no ed, and no s. Some of the most common modal verbs are can, should, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. We use can to talk about ability in the present. For example, I can swim. We use could for past ability. For example, she could read when she was 4. To talk about something that is possible, we use may, might, or should. For example, it might rain today. He may be at home. To ask or give permission, we use can or may. For example, can I go to the bathroom? You may start your test now. We use should or ought to when we give advice. For example, you should drink more water. We ought to help our classmates. To talk about rules or things that are necessary, we use must or have to, such as you must wear your uniform. I have to do my homework every day. If we are sure something will happen, we use will or shall. For example, I will call you later. We shall meet at 5 o'clock. Now remember these tips. Never use to after a modal verb, except ought to and have to. Always use the base form after the verb. Say, she might go, not she might goes. For negatives, use not after modals. For example, you mustn't or you must not be late. Let's try a few examples. Fill in the blanks with the correct modal verbs. Pause the video for a moment and do this exercise. And that's it for today's lesson on modal verbs. I encourage you to practice these on your speaking and writing. And always remember, you can improve with practice. See you in the next time.